What's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back for another video. Okay, so today's video I'm gonna be doing a little review on this new string trimmer I just purchased. So let's get into it. So here's a new string trimmer I purchased. Is the Eagle 15-inch cordless string trimmer, and it has Powerload. So let's go ahead and unbox it and check it out. Okay, so let's check what's inside. You got your little booklet. Looks like some extra string right here. As well, to give you an Allen wrench. The actual tool itself, pretty nice. You got your guard, handle, your charger, and your battery. There it is, the 56 volt, and this is a 2.5 amp one. So before I continue, I'm gonna put this to charge, so when I'm done, I'm gonna put it to test. Okay, now that we have the battery charging, let's go ahead and put this together. Just gonna go ahead and unfold this. And then right here, we're going to insert that screw they gave you with the Allen wrench and tighten it up. Okay, next I'm going to hook up the handle. It comes right here, this little thing. You just want to unscrew it. Take it apart, attach it. I gotta press it in there. So we're gonna grab this, reattach it. Okay, next, let's attach the guard. Okay, so to attach the guard, it has these screws right here. You're gonna line them up with these holes, like that. And then just go ahead and tighten them up with the screwdriver, and you'll be set. Alrighty guys, so here it is, all set up. I'm just waiting for that battery to charge, but in the meanwhile I'll show you some of the stuff that I really like. And this is probably the main selling point for me, was this Powerload technology. So that's going to allow me to restring this a lot easier, not necessarily faster, just easier. So that's a really cool feature. It also has a telescopic handle, so we can make this right here longer or shorter depending on your needs. And the string itself is actually a little thicker. I believe this one is 0.95, while the Toro, my previous one, was a 0.08. And speaking of my previous one, the Toro, it's actually right here. So I'm gonna put a little side-by-side comparison. There's Toro, there's You can see they're pretty similar in length. I believe this one can actually be a little longer just because it has that handle. So I think the Eagle is just a little bit longer, not too much. But the main reason I decided to purchase another one was because this one finally gave up on me, and I had it a little over two years, almost 3 years. Yeah, I was just using it and it started smoking. I kept it in the garage saying that maybe I can go get it fixed, but I just never did. And originally I wasn't going to purchase another Toro string trimmer, but I decided, you know what, let me try another brand and see how well that does. So the Toro lasted me almost 3. We'll see how long this one will last me. All right, guys, let's just wait for that battery and we'll put it to test. Battery is fully charged, and then to check, press this right here. Fully charged. Let's do a little side-by-side comparison with this battery and the Toro. You can see they're very similar size. When it comes to weight, I do feel this is a little heavier, the Eagle. I do kind of wish, I mean, it's not a big deal, but it makes it a little easier to carry it around if it had a little handle. This one doesn't, but it's no big deal, to be honest. It's nothing crazy. You just grab it and put it on your string trimmer or any Eagle tools. But yeah, guys, like I said, this is the 2.5 amp versus my old one was a 2.0 amp. So this Eagle one should last me a little bit longer. I think it says, I forgot where I saw it at, I think up to 45 minutes. So that's plenty of time for me. So let's go ahead and install this and then go ahead and put it to use. Right, here we go. Got done, and as you can see, it's getting the job done very simple. Next I'm going to see how it does if I do some edging, see how it works. Check it out. Also, another thing I forgot to mention, or a couple things. This is a bump to feed, so when you're running low on the string, go ahead and bump this on the ground and then more will come out. Also, this has 2 speeds. Try to zoom in. Hold on. So right now that was on low. Everything you saw me doing was on low, but you flip it over, it goes to high. So whichever one you prefer, guys. As you see, I did everything on low and it did very well. So I'm gonna use the low and high and see if you can hear the difference. This is low. This is high. I'm not sure if you guys were able to hear the difference, but I can hear the difference, and I could also feel the difference. If you're holding this in your hand and you press the trigger on high, you can feel a little bit more power. But yeah, so far, first day, I really enjoyed it. Before I go, I do definitely want to do the power load so you guys can see that in action. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all this out and then restring it up. Now we're gonna go ahead and restring it. So what we're gonna want to do is stick this in right here and keep pressing it, pushing it through till it pops out on this side right over here. Next, we're gonna keep pulling. Now this might be the hardest part, I guess, is we're gonna try to get them even on both sides. Let me show you guys what I mean. Okay, so as we're pulling, you want to make sure they're even as possible. Okay, so I pulled them and hopefully they're match up. Next, all we gotta do is press that button and it's gonna wind it up for us. Alrighty, here we go. All right, so there we go, guys. Very simple. It's pretty cool. You do need to be careful. If you hold it, the string will go inside. So just gotta be careful with that. So as you're using it, it's gonna trim itself right here anyways. So there it is, guys, the Powerload technology. Pretty nice, I like it. Like I said, not faster, just a little easier. But there it is, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. Very quick little review on this Ego trimmer, and hopefully it lasts me, you know, quite some time, because like I said, my previous one only lasted almost 3 years, and I'm just gonna see how long this one will last. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.